actually feel it when you're driving.
Those rims are bit up.
Bit up?
Bent up.
Yeah, they're bent. They're bent to keep.
Show me where they're bent.
They have been. I'd hate to have them straightened out, but they still. Don't get behind you. Move.
So Steven's telling me that now we need to probably. I just told him how shiny these rims were. I told him, whoa. Why did he do that? You just backed into the forklift.
Oh my, I'm sure it hurt.
Did you intentionally back into the forklift?
Yep.
You intentionally backed into the forklift.
Well, if I didn't want to back into the forklift, I wouldn't have.
But what's the point of that?
I use up every inch.
But weren't you afraid you were going to hurt the vehicle?
No, not hurt. Ain't gonna hurt it.
So, Stephen, right in front of my very eyes.
Grab it. All I did was backed up and tapped.
Well, right in front of my very eyes, Stephen literally...
Backed up and just rammed the forklift all the way to the backyard.
So,
I just backed it up against the forklift.
okay,
That's all I did.
but I wouldn't be able to do that probably.
No, you're not allowed to do that.
Well, I would be afraid that I would...
Yeah, you would damage it.
So tell me, I was just telling you how shiny these were. I was just telling you how shiny these were, and you said, oh, I've got to replace those.
Yeah, I bought them because I wanted them, but they do have... I had them straightened out, but I could feel them when I'm going down the road. I could still feel the bends in them, so I'll probably have to shop around for another set.
Well, we haven't had those too long.
No.
So this 150 is a 2001 model. So this is a 20-year-old vehicle. And we've had it since 2005. And then there's...
I mean, it's not an emergency. I'm not going to go out and to panic and go get some right away, but I will be keeping my eyes open for some. They do make those Harley Davidson ones aftermarket, so yeah, I can actually feel it when I'm cruising down the street. It's going do 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 do. I know it's not the tires, it's the rims.
What, could they pop out?
Pop out? Where are they going to pop out to?
I mean, you said you're filling them.
Are they coming out?
Well, I mean,
Are they liberals?
You said that you can feel them shaking. Does that mean that they can just pop out? I mean, what would happen?
It's just vibration when you're driving.
So it's not going to pop out.
No, you're just going to feel a vibration in the driving.
Okay. All right. Is that the worst thing? Is that the worst possible thing? It's just a vibration?
Yeah, that's enough. Vehicles are not supposed to vibrate when they go down the road.